Okay, we're on question 9 now, same paper. We're looking at the mean, the median and the range. Again, not difficult, we know how to do these. The mean, we've got a lot of data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, lots of data. You know all we have to do is add up all that data and divide by the number that we've added up, and we've added up 8, so it's just the data added up divided by 8. So I get my calculator. I'm going to show the examiner, okay, that I know what to do, because if I go wrong on the adding up, I'm going to get 1 or maybe even 2 of the marks. 137, add 120, add 181, add 175, add 141, add 118, add 151, add 153, and we have to divide all of that by 8. Get your calculator. Okay, 137, add 120, add 181, add 175. As you're typing it in, make sure you're typing it in correctly. 141, add 118, add 151, add 153. Get the equals, okay, because that again is showing good working. 1176 divided by 8. Divide that answer by 8 and you get 147. So your mean is 147. Now, a lot of students don't realise, but if you're finding the mean, the average must be somewhere between those numbers. If you've got an answer of 190 something, which is nowhere in that range of figures, you know you've gone wrong. And that's centimetres, because that's what we're looking at. We're looking at height. Okay. Part B, you want the median height of the pupils now. So you're going to have to put them in order. So you want the smallest one. Go through your list. The smallest one there is 118. Okay, once you do it, 118, you can put a line through it to show you've used it. Next one is 120, okay. Then you want the next one, 120, any more in the 20s? No. In the 30s, yeah, there's one in the 30s, 137. In the 40s, we've got 141. And then we've got 151. And we've got 153. And then we've got a 175. And we've got a 181. We've got all the data. Now we've got 8. Okay, so there's not going to be a middle one. Median, MD, middle. We're not going to have a middle one, but we've got a middle pair. So if you look, there's my middle pair. I've got 3 either side. And I want the average halfway between 141 and 151. So halfway between, if you want to add the two of them up, 141, add 151. Halfway between is divide by 2, so it's 146. Halfway between there is going to be 146, so the median is 146 centimetres. Last one for 1 mark, we want the range. Now the range is looking at the data, looking at the largest one. We'll look at your list. You've got 181 is your largest, and the smallest is 118. Again, you've got your calculator, so use it. 181, take away 118, and that gives you 63. Okay, so we've got 6 easy marks, mean, median, mode. If mode is the one that comes up most often. MO, we haven't got one of those, but that often comes up, MO. And the range, not difficult.